Welcome to the Exchange 2016 installation series. I'm Ed. In this video we're going to be taking a look at creating a send connector. Now, to be able to send mail to the internet, you need to firstly have your MX records in place externally with your ISP so that when people mail you, they know how, or the mail knows how to get to your domain, etc. So if we open the Exchange Admin Center and you click on the Mail Flow tab, you have a whole set of options here, and you'll have your send connector. Right. As you can see, I don't have any send connectors. Now in Exchange you can have multiple send connectors. If you're using like sender-based routing where you send a specific domain through a connector, or you can just have one global one. So if you're a hoster, you'll probably have many of them because your customers might be going to different places to deliver mail and you are just a filtering solution, etc. So if we click on the plus sign, and I'm going to call this TLAB connector, I'm going to basically say this is an internet connector. So with your ISP, they will either give you a smart host, so whether you're with Symantec, whether you're with Mimecast, whether you're with Rocketseed, etc. And there are many more out there. They will either give you a smart host or they'll tell you to route through your MX records, but those records have to be in place. So in this example, I'm going to use my MX records, and you need to specify an address space. So you normally click on add and put in a star. Everything will basically go through this connector. Now what you can do is you can specify source server, so which server will be handling mail. So if you have, let's say you've got mailbox servers here and you've got a whole stack of hubs and you only want to send it through 3 of the hubs, then you would choose that. If it's sender-based routing, you would need to specify all the servers, because sender-based routing doesn't use just 1 or 2 hubs. It's got to be on all of them. So obviously you need the software installed for whatever sender-based routing agent that you have. In this case, we'll add these 2, and then you click on the finish button. Now that you have your send connector, you can basically enable logging. So you can either enable logging here, or you can click on the pencil button, and the pencil button will then bring up a few more properties. So as you can see, there's no logging. You can set it to verbose so you can see what's going on. You can specify either from a predefined number here, or let's say you allow up to 50 megs, you can type it in. We are not proxying through a KS server at this point. So if you click on delivery tab, you'll notice that I'm routing through MX records. If I wanted to change it to a smart host, I could click here, click the plus sign, and enter in the smart host information, etc. If we go to the scoping tab, you'll see that my address space is star, my source servers, and if you wanted to provide a hello for the server, you will specify it here. So because I've made changes to the size of the connector and logging, you'll click save, and if you had to refresh, you would see now that logging is showing on. And that's pretty much how simple it is. Thank you for watching.